Okay, girls? And you are one step away to winning $500,000 pesos! Oh my God, talaga! Ang sagot sa ating jackpot question ay nakikita nyo ngayon sa ating Final Four. If you continue and answer the question correctly, you go home with a jackpot prize, which is $500,000. Now, here's the catch. Kung mali ang inyong sagot, yung $100,000 na hawak mo ngayon, Denise, ay mga ngalahati. So, you'll just take home $50,000. So, ang tanong, will you take the risk or not? No way because you're happy with $100,000, or all the way because you're going to take home $500,000 pesos!
All the way! All the way! All the way!
All the way! Narito na ang inyong final question na nagkakahalaga ng kalahating milyong piso. Blackboard, please reveal. Sam and Denise, alin sa mga sumusunod na eskwelahan ang itinatag noong 1928? FEU, Ateneo de Manila University, De La Salle University, and University of the East.
Oh my goodness.
Sam and Denise, if you're ready, I will give you 30 seconds to decide on your answer. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes, your timer starts now. 30 seconds.
FEU?
They said FEU.
Nako!
UE. UE.
Dalawa piliin nyo.
No.
1920s.
Ilang...
You still have time. You still have time to change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time is up! Ang ating tanong, alin sa mga sumusunod na eskwela nang itinatawag noong 1928? And they said FEU!
I don't know.
FEU! For $500,000 pesos!